Say He is Allah only one, Allah the eternal, the absolute, who need nothing, He begets not, nor was He begotten, and no one is comparable unto Him. Allah said in the Quran, sabihin mo, siya Allah, nag-iisa, Allah wala siyang kailangan, hindi siya nagkaanak at hindi siya pinanganak, at wala siya anuman katulad. And Allah also said in the Quran, وَقَالَ اتَّخَذُ الرَّحْمَنُ وَلَدًا لَقَدْ جِئْتُمْ شَيْئًا إِدًّا. Allah said that they say that Rahman, Allah, begat a son, surely He brought the evil monstrous thing. If you say that God have a son, then it is insulting to God because you make God like a human being and like animal. Because these are the human attribute to become father and mother, male and female, with the reproductive system. And we know the reproductive system is in animals and human beings. And God is the creator of human and God is the creator of animals. God is not the creation, but He is a creator. Siya tagapaglikha. Okay, so yung maging tatay, maging nanay, yan ng atributo ng mga tao. Okay, lalaki at babae. So Diyos hindi siyang tao. Si Diyos, siya tagapaglikha. So hindi pwede siya nang sabihin na may anak. Okay, so that's so considering as parang namumurahin kay Diyos. Sabi ng Diyos sa Quran na kung sabi mo si Diyos na may anak, para ka namumurahin kay Diyos dahil na ginawa Diyos na parang tao. Okay, so that's the one thing which we already emphasize, that we don't celebrate Christmas because it is insulting God, because it is saying that God have a son, and God has not have no son because He is only one, and He is infinite God, He is unlimited, He is most powerful, He is most great, and we believe in only one God, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So that's against our belief. And even if the Christians are believing that and they are celebrating, and it is very shameful that whole Christian world is celebrating this event, but the place of the Jesus Christ, they are protesting right now. They are not celebrating. The Bethlehem, where na yung lugar na pinanganak si Jesus Christ, wala sa celebration na yun, they are doing a protest to the Israel, that because of the massacre, because of the 20,000 people killed in Palestine, which include the Bethlehem. Bethlehem yung lugar na pinanganak si Jesus Christ, the place where the prophet Jesus birth. That place now, right now, under the protest against Israel, they are not celebrating. And the whole world who are in the name of Jesus, they are celebrating, but the place of the Jesus Christ where He born, there is no celebration today because it's being massacred. 20,000 women and children and elderly people have been killed in Palestine, which is like Gaza or the West Bank or Bethlehem, Jerusalem. This all part is part of the Palestine. And it is very shameful that the whole Christian world is celebrating that event, and the place where they believe Jesus Christ, Bethlehem, there is no celebration there, and they are protesting. And the whole Christian world are failed to do anything, even just to stop the war, even for one day. Since October 7, it's non-going, murdering every day. Every day, hundreds of children and women be killed every day. And the whole Christian world, they even say that that is a very special place for them, but they don't mind it. And they are celebrating, but that place is being, even today, is under the protest, and they are being massacred there. And it is very shameful for the Christian nation, for the Muslim nation, and for the whole world, that this is nearly 3 months and the world failed to stop this genocide. This is genocide, human genocide. It's being implemented now in Palestine, in Gaza, and then whole world is watching, and it is very shameful for the whole world community, including the United Nations organization, which is meaning is United Nations organization, UNO, which I call useless nations organization, because they also, every time they make a resolution, but there is no result. Walang resulta. Okay, so now they have a result that they are going to arrange the ceasefire. But after the resolution, it's become more murder now. Before 100 plus people dying, now after this another resolution becomes, first day become 200 plus people were killed and massacred. And most of them are children and women. So that is, should be very important thing for all the human being, that one animal being attacked by someone else, and that all animal they will gather and they will help to that animal, like dog. And when a human being attacked to the dog, the many dogs will come and fight with you. Okay, the bird also, like the different kind of bird. When you attack one bird, then all bird will come and fight against you. Even the honeybee. When you attack one honeybee, all the honeybee will gather together and they will fight against you. But now today, the human beings are killing human beings. They are becoming a different nations. They don't mind other nation. They want to mind other nation, and they are willing to kill other nation in the name of their nation. So it becomes a new kind of racism, which is called the nationalism. We are human nation. We need to be human nation. All the human nation gather together, and we love and respect and kind with each other, and not to kill each other, not to harm each other, but rather to give benefits to each other as human being. May Allah guide us. May Allah forgive us.